Hi, I'm Amy Norris with National Wall Covering. Thank you all for being here today and taking a minute to learn about the Ambienta wall panel systems. So what I think is awesome about Ambienta, about their panel systems, is that they are a very affordable and efficient way to bring panel systems into your project, whether it be commercial or residential. So first, let's start off by talking about the panels and what options you have. That's the fun part. That's what we want to see. So one option, of course, would be wood. And the wood used for the Ambienta panel systems is sandfoot veneers, which the sandfoot is carried by National Wall Covering. The sandfoot is very thin and wraps corners very nicely and is pre-finished, which is a big bonus because there would be no sanding or sealing required at the job site with the sandfoot used for the panels. It is installed over MDF, 3/4 inch usually, and please disregard the masking tape because obviously we do not send out panels with masking tape. But wood would be one option. We also have phenolic, which is a really hard surface, very durable, and can even go in wet areas. And then the another option would be glass. So this is 2 pieces of glass with some wood veneer sandwiched between. Other options for your panels might be limestone or any kind of stone or concrete. We're open to suggestions, so or maybe metal, or if there's something else that you want to try. We can certainly work with you in that. Now, a little bit about the parts and pieces of Ambiente. So it starts with a metal framework. And I have some pieces here to show you. So this would be a vertical post. It is made of, all the framework is made of self-healing steel, and all of the mounts are pre-machined. So this would be your vertical. This would be a horizontal bar, your hanging bar, which slides into place. Let's see, even I can do it. And that's what your clips will hang on for your panels. And and a couple of other features that you can add to this would be a foot mount. So if you want to transfer weight to the floor, if you're going to be hanging panels that are a heavier weight, or maybe adding some shelving or something else heavy to the panels, so that's a nice feature. Also, we can build out, Ambienta can build out a standoff for you if you need to create some space between the wall and your verticals to allow, maybe you have some ductwork back there, or maybe you need a lot of space. Maybe you need a guy to be able to access that area. I'm not sure what he's going to do back there, but you know, so that's an option. We can help you with that as well. And then this is the horizontal bar. So this is the basics of your framework. This is something that can be installed by your framers at the job site. It doesn't have to be a millwork or a carpenter necessarily. The other great thing is, a couple things. These materials can be on site within 2 days of an order being placed and installed, and then you can walk away for a little bit and let your other trades have access to that wall. So if you're a plumber, your electrician, cable guy, whoever needs to get in there, they can get in there because your panels, again, are finished. They're going to slip in place very easily. There's no point in putting them up until all those other trades are done. So that is the vertical pieces, and then once that's done and all the other trades are done, then of course you want to hang your reveals or install your reveals. Your framework is hung, so all you need to do is apply double-sided tape, which is provided, and then if it's wood panels, then we would provide wood veneer reveals that would stick to the double-sided tape. So that would be installed on your vertical and your horizontal pieces. So once the reveals are in place, then you can go and hang your panels. So you can see on the back of this is the phenolic. On the back there are already 2 holes in place for screws. and your screws and your clips are provided, and those would be set in place, and then you would simply hang your panel. And that's it. It seems pretty simple. This is your binder, your Ambienta binder. It has all the technical information, all the spec information, and I'm going to leave this with you today. If you have any other questions about the product, I'm here, and I would love to hear about the projects you're working on and how we can help. All right, thank you.